Oh, you're still here? I suppose you want a video explaining how I made the intro. Okay, I will. I'll do it just for you. First things first, we have to go back. We have to get one of Josh's videos. I've already downloaded it and I've already cut it up a little bit, so we can just go through and watch directly from there.
Haven't you tried this before?
So this comes to our first glitch. I added just a simple basic glitch sound effect that you can get off of just about anywhere. I got mine off of Storyblocks.
Can you just give up already?
So I added in two sound effects, one being a longer glitch effect and one being a shorter glitch effect. This whole entire time as well, I was cutting up his audio and his video to add in a more glitch style effect.
Maybe you need a new dream.
So same thing as before, I added in two more glitch effects. I cut up his audio as well to give it so it sounds like it is glitching and kind of skipping around a little bit. And then just a power off noise. I also slowed down his audio as well to make it sound like it wasn't coming in correctly. After that, I ended up adding a war track. It sounds really epic. I wanted to make it sound like an epic cinematic trailer. I also added in a heartbeat to make your own heart race. It works like the same way as a clock. If you start a clock, your heart rate will automatically go to the second hand. I also added in some hacker noises because I could, and it's on the code on the screen. Same thing with this one, just added in more computer noises and hacker noises, quote unquote. So I added in Morse code, and you can also still hear the war track and the heartbeat going on. The heartbeat is getting faster and faster this whole entire time. Once again, the war track and the heart rate ever fasting. Then slowly I weaned off of the Morse code and the typing to switch into the normal hacking mode, where I only had the war track and the heartbeat. And then I slowly had the war track ramp down and the heartbeat just continue until it stopped. And that is how I made Josh's soundtrack. I think it's now 2:30 a.m. I think it's time for bed. But as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Maybe I'll do something better next time. Maybe I'll be more bold. Maybe I won't set an alarm for 2 a.m. Find out next week. Oh, and you're loved.